I have built a small extension called VSCode Context Companion. GPT Context Companion. So you would have already seen so much of chat extensions which has ChatGPT prefix within it. This is also one more in that category. Only difference is it allows you to create custom prompts. Okay, so we are going to see one by one. After installation, for example, I am in the middle of writing something and I need it. Press Control M or Command M. It will open this one, and it will just ask you whatever you have written directly, and then it will just give you the answer from ChatGPT directly. If you need to have a API key set, okay, so if you don't have a API key, it will automatically prompts, and then you need to get it one from OpenAI. I have put out the link there. So the next thing which I want you to show you is there are other options as well. For example, I am in a sample.java program. Then I have a program, and then I hate writing tests, or I need someone to write tests for me. Just select this, again Control M, and then write a test for. That is the third prompt. Select this, and then it could happily do some writing test for you. I'm going to abort it, but you know, right? ChatGPT is going to work fine for you. Aborting it, and then if you want, copy it and then use it wherever you want. And as the same thing, it can go. For example, there is a method you would like to understand. I have written some prompts there. Control M again. You can just say like explain the following code. What does this so-called code does? So you can specify this and ask it. And then, for example, there are multiple ways you can do this. There are already existing prompts. You want to create your own custom prompts for it. Okay. So we can also do that. We can also do our own prompts. So what you can do is again Control Shift P, or Command Shift P, whatever. And then there is an option called ChatGPT Context Companion Add Prompt. So you can specify whatever prompt you want, and then the selected text you can use %s. I'll say like create or explain this code to a business person, and then I will say %s, whatever the text being selected. Okay? Then I just added, and then said added prompt, and then I'll go somewhere, and then I'll just do that, and again Control. Yeah. So you will see like explain this code to a business person. So you can have these kind of prompts on your own. You don't want to each and every time you don't want to type it. You can create these prompts directly, and then it can happily give you this one, and then give it to your boss. Right. So I'm going to add one more thing. I'm just going to add one more prompt. Create documentation for this code. And then Control M, you can see create documentation. It can happily create a documentation for you. Okay. And then even though it looks like so odd, it will work fine. Actually, you can just copy it. It will be just a markdown. You can see here. It will be a markdown. So you can happily use it, put it, and then your documentation is there. So, that's the idea there. And once you are putting a prompt, it is always going to be there. If you want to, by default, it will go for the entire line, wherever the cursor says. If you want, you can select all and then press Control M or Command M based on the operating system. Hopefully, it should be fine. Yeah, thank you.